Assalamu alaikum friends, today we will discuss how to fix laptop screen flickering. This problem can be caused by many reasons. I will explain each problem step by step. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl Shift plus ESC. Your Task Manager also flickering, then we will understand that there is a problem with your display driver. You can try using an external display to see if flickering occurs. If your external display is not flickering, then uninstall your display driver. Right click Start menu. Select Device Manager. Expand display adapters. Right click the listed adapter. Select Uninstalled device. Checkmark this icon. Select Uninstall. Restart your computer. Right click Start menu. Select Device Manager. Expand display adapters. Right click the listed adapter. Select Update driver. Then select Search automatically for drivers. Right click Start menu. Select Run. Then type msconfig. Click OK. Then select Selective Startup. Then click Service. Then find Windows Error Reporting Service. Uncheck Windows Error Reporting Service. Then find Problem Reports Control Panel solution. Uncheck Problem Report Control Panel solution. Click Apply. Then click OK. Then select Restart. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Thanks for watching.